So, in response to a conversation me and Dylan Carpenter had about the Thunderbolt at the fire station here and more, it's back. Sounds so beautiful too. Awesome. Totally forgot it was noon. Hey, look at that pitch change. Got a really bad speed issue now. At least it's back up and running. Started dying down facing my direction. That is freaking cool. You can hear the other one over at the high school too. And there's another Thunderbolt. I don't know if it's even working. It's on Eastern and 19th. Don't know if that one works or not, but this one's working now. Just figured I'd give a video update to all this.